Namaste children, welcome to the online class. This is Krishna Chaitanya, your physics teacher. Today we are going to discuss about an interesting topic, pressure. Now we will perform an activity. Take a pencil, push its rounded end on your palm. Now push from the other side of the pencil so that the sharp end is on your palm. Observe the changes. We observe that the effect of force depends on the area of contact on which force is acting. If the area of the pencil is less, it hurts more. If the area of the pencil is more, it hurts less. The force acting perpendicularly on unit area of a surface is called pressure. Pressure is nothing but force by area. The SI unit of pressure is Newton per meter square, simply N by M square. Now, identifying the effects of force. Take two trays, fill it with sand, and take two identical bricks which are having similar mass and similar shape. Now place the two bricks, one is in vertically and another one is in horizontally into the sand. Now we will observe what happens. We observe that the brick which is placed in vertically goes deeper than the brick which is placed horizontally on a sand surface. Result of this activity. We learned that if the contact area or the surface area is less, the effect is more. Means in the vertical case it goes more deeper due to more pressure. In the horizontal case the surface area is more, so the pressure acting in that particular case is less. We can conclude if we use a larger area, the pressure becomes smaller. Now try to answer the following questions. Why do school bags have broad handles while lorries carrying heavy loads have large number of tires? The answer for this question is, we know that the pressure is nothing but force by area. Area is inversely proportional to pressure, means area increases, pressure decreases. So to decrease the effect of pressure, the school bags have broad handles, as well as the lorries which are having heavy loads have more number of tires. Thank you.